Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting origami for everyone. Today you're going to learn to make a box, which looks very simple, but there are some complicated folds in there for you. This box is actually pretty handy because if you make two of them, you can use it as a gift box for like a jewelry or keychain type thing, something kind of small, or you could use a bigger piece of paper to make it. So the first thing you'll need, as almost always, is a square piece of paper. You want to put this colored side down first, okay? So the first thing that you'll want to do is do your trusty triangle fold, as always. These are pretty familiar now at this point. You've been making a lot of them with me all this time. Okay, so unfold both triangle folds, right? Smooth it out. Next thing that you'll do is fold them edge from edge into the center. It's kind of like making a fortune teller a little bit in that sense, but not quite. So you're going to fold those all in. Okay, make sure that it's even, otherwise your box will be a little bit lopsided, and then you'll have to straighten it out, but that could be kind of hard. So let's try to make it even when you're in this place, and then it'll be okay. All right, next you're going to take two of the sides, so they have to be parallel sides, so this side and this side, and unfold them. Smooth it out. Should look kind of like this. Next, you're going to take the edge on the bottom, I always start with the bottom, and fold it up towards the middle. Make sure that this piece is tucked underneath. It's not going to look like a box when you first start, but I promise it will. And then do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to fold that in towards the center. These are going to make the walls of your box, so you'll want to make sure that they're even and smooth. Okay? The next thing you'll do is lift it up on each side. So it should look this looks sort of like a raft, I would say. And then the next thing that you'll do is fold this edge up, smooth it down. You want to smooth these edges when you fold them. So you're just sharpening the edges you've already made just to make sure that it will sit up properly. Okay? So now you have your raft. Take the ends and tuck them in, kind of like this. Remember, you can always watch these videos again if you get stuck. So it should look like this when you fold it together. As I said, it looks easy, but it's actually a little tricky. So fold it up, and it almost kind of goes together naturally. It'll tuck in by itself right here. You see what happened there? So smooth it out. Okay, so you take the sides over here, tuck it. And so you'll want to smooth out this internal triangle. Smooth it out, fold it over the top, and tuck. So you may have to smooth out the edges a little bit on the sides, but you definitely have your box. And usually what I do, because they're never exactly perfect, is the one that's a little smaller goes inside the other box. So there you go. You have a little gift box ready to go. So like and subscribe to our YouTube page for the Hot Pog Library if you enjoy these origami videos, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.